Good evening, I'm Paul Bergman, in tonight for Jennifer Griswold. A Denison, Iowa man sick with coronavirus was on the brink of death when his condition turned around and he was able to recover. Today, he was released from the hospital. Reporter John Kipper was in Council Bluffs and brings us a story of recovery.
In late May, a Denison, Iowa man was getting sicker and sicker from COVID-19 and was sent to Methodist Hospital in Council Bluffs. He was immediately put on a ventilator and was still critically ill for quite some time. His family was getting worried. But today, his family celebrated his recovery. And what the hospital is saying is a COVID-19 success story.
Everything was a nightmare.
Things were not looking good for Maurice Sandoval. He was on a ventilator after respiratory failure due to COVID-19.
Tell you you're gonna die. Right in your face. You're gonna say no.
Doctors were doing everything they could to save the 44-year-old. They gave him the drug remdesivir and steroids. Eventually, they gave him a tracheostomy. That's when they saw significant improvement in his breathing.
I think it's another chance. Not born again.
For the month plus, Sandoval was at Jenny Edmonton Methodist Hospital. The only way he could see his family was through FaceTime. That made things tough on everyone, including his wife, Rebecca.
Pensé que lo íbamos a perder.
I was thinking that probably he's not going to make it.
Primeramente fue un milagro de Dios.
It's a miracle of God.
Laura says the worst part of his experience is not being able to eat anything or drink water for 30 days. But he's now leaving the hospital and can see his family, with his grandkids welcoming him on Friday and his children, who are currently in New York, coming to see him soon. He thanks hospital staff, who says treated him like a family during his stay.
They are amazing. Good night for them. You know.
In Council Bluffs, John Kipper, 3 News Now.
And Sandoval does still have to recover in some aspects. He has patches in his lungs that could lead to scarring. He'll now be going to hours of daily therapy.